Cutting roughness. Cutting roughness. Is cutting condition normal? Unusual. Inspection 21. Please refer to the enclosed working condition list. If don't, notice to control the flushing pressure at skim pass cut may cause wrinkle surface. Normal. Is dielectric turbid? Turbid. Inspection 10. If dielectric is turbid, can't make intensive sparking effect, like easy wire break, wrinkle cutting surface. Please check if paper filter broken or not, and the iron resin, or replace the dielectric fluid. Normal. Is specific resistance value normal? Unusual. Inspection 22. To do skim pass cut under low water conductivity range 3 to 5 k ohm may cause electrolysis sparking and the skim surface will be worsened. Therefore, raise conductivity to 20 to 30 k ohm on fine finish. Normal. Is the workpiece too thick? Too thick. Inspection 23. Apply the same working condition to workpiece with a different thickness will obtain different surface roughness. Normally, the thick one will have rougher surface. Normal. Is special material of workpiece? Special. Inspection 23 or your local agent.